this is a induction motor question, and it is a relatively easy question. It's not a hard question, as we will see. So again, I tried to have questions that are cover wide range of problems, as well as something that we did not discuss it before somehow. So here we have a three-phase uh, 25 horsepower 230 60 hertz induction motor that draws 60 amps from a source at 0.866 lagging power factor, and all the losses are given, and then you are asked to find certain things. Now, before I solve this question, I'd like to stress on the fact, what is the meaning of these numbers? This is very, very important. So what is this 25 horsepower? This is your output power. Okay, so this is about output power of your induction motor. But output power, this is your P out. But at what conditions? This is at rated conditions. Okay, so if you are asked in the question to solve it at rated conditions, you already know the P out. But if I give you some conditions to find B in and B out, then this is just the rated value and not the value that you are supposed to use it for this specific question. So this will be like on the nameplate of your machine. That is the maximum power you can get from induction machine. So here start, the question is, what is the air gap power? Okay, so for that question, you can see here there is no any value for R or X. Okay, so you will not use the circuit. Instead, you will use the power flow diagrams, as you will see here. That is the key point for this question. So you want to find PAG, and as you can see here from here, that your PAG, the air gap power, is equal to the PN minus two types of losses: the stator copper loss and the core loss. In that question, the core loss has been separated from the mechanical loss. We have seen in some other questions, sometimes they are combined. If they are combined, we move this to the output power. But if they are separated, so we keep it as per the power flow. So I need to find Pn. I have BSCL and I have P core. So the only thing missing for me is your PN. How to find PN? I was given all the information needed for that. So your PN, this is a three-phase induction motor, and the default values here will be the line values for the voltages and the current. So this will equal to root 3 V line I line cosine theta. And everything was given in this question. So your Pn is equal to root 3. The voltage is 230, your rated voltage. As you know, for the machine we always apply the same voltage times 60 times 0.866, and this will give me 20.699 kilowatt. So this is your Pn. Now to find back to your PAG, it is your Pn, as we have seen in this formula, which is 20.699 minus the stator copper losses, which is 0.85 kilowatt, minus the core losses, which is 450 watt or 0.45 kilowatt. So this will give me 19.399 kilowatt. So this is part A. In part B, we want to find the slip. Usually the slip is given to you, but here you want to calculate that. Now we have extra information that can help us to find the slip. We know that the P rotor copper loss is equal to the slip times the PAG. So from this, your slip is equal to the rotor copper loss divided by PAG, and the rotor copper loss is given to you as 1050 watt or 1.05 kilowatt divided by the PAG, which is 19.399, and this will give me a slip of 0.050 or 5.4%. Then we want to find the developed power. Now, when we look here, we don't see, we see B convert. B convert, B developed is exactly the same thing. So B convert or B developed is exactly the same, which is PAG minus PRCL, as we have seen from the diagram. So this is equal to 19.399 minus 1.050 equal to 18.349 kilowatt. Then after that, we want to find P out. P out is this be developed or be converted minus whatever left from the losses. The only losses we have is the mechanical loss. So minus B mechanical, which is equal to 18.349 minus 0.5, which is 500 watt, and this gives me 17.849 kilowatt. Now, if I try to find B out using the 25 horsepower, let me see what is the value. So B out, I will call this is rated. So this is will equal to the 25 horsepower times 746, and this will give me 18.65 kilowatt. Is larger than this. So this is the actual B out at this condition, at this current, at these losses, and this is the actual, the rated value. And then finally, you want to find the motor efficiency. This is the last part. The motor efficiency, as we know it, it's P out over Pn times 100 for percentage. Your P out is given as or calculated as 17.849, and your Pn was already calculated as 20.6099 times 100, and this will give me your efficiency as 86.2%.